hasta, and welcome to my channel. My name is Faith, and as seen by today's title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the shoulder tabby. And also, if you are new to my channel, I create videos, basically just lifestyle videos. I do hauls, I do unboxings. I even talk about planners and planning, as well as college and things of that nature. So if you're interested in those things, consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, let's get into the video. So based on my last video, I definitely did say that the Coach Parker was going to be my last bag of 2020. But yeah, I told myself a story because that was before Black Friday and I forgot all about Black Friday. And I ended up buying another bag, the Coach Tabby. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So Coach does the box like this, where they have like the item down here and the little Coach sign there. And then they, well, more recently, they put the bag, wow, this is, this is big, okay? This is the Tabby. I'm so excited. I didn't expect it to be this big. I know there's two different versions. They have like a, I guess the normal size and then like a smaller size. But yeah, so let's go ahead and take her out of the bag. And like I said, this is just the dust bag that they come with and come in when you order from Coach. And voila, here she is. This bag is big. I honestly thought it was gonna be, I don't know, I just thought it was gonna be smaller. I'm really shocked. But yeah, this is the Coach Tabby, the shoulder tabby, and the canvas is B4 canvas, and I mean the number or the name, the proper name for it is the B4 canvas light saddle. And yeah, so let me take the wrapping and things and stuff off of this bag so we can look into it. Okay, so it comes with the crossbody strap, and this one is just black with the, what color is this? Brass color. And then these are brass as well. It's a very thick strap and it feels really nice. All right, so this is how she looks without the paper, excluding this paper. And yeah, she's so gorgeous. I wanted the beechwood color because that one was on sale too, but this one was cheaper and I thought it was more unique. This bag is literally so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch the angle so we can get a closer look of the bag. It has an inside zip and multifunction pockets, a snap closure with fabric lining. It has an outside slip pocket, a detachable short strap with 8-inch drop, and then the detachable long strap is 21 inches with a 1/4 inch drop for shoulder or crossbody wear. And yeah, this is the bag up close, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. So yeah, you see it's made out of canvas. This is the saddle color right here, and then it has black right there. And then here's the inside pocket right here, and this is what she looks like on the inside. So we have this back pocket here, and then we have this zip pocket in the middle. And then we have this. 2 compartments in between this pocket. And unlike the Parker, there's, well, actually I lied. There is like an opening right here. So this middle compartment isn't all the way connected to the bag on the outsides of the pocket, if that makes sense. And then here's the back pocket. Here's the bottom and the sides. And then here's the tag. It's also in saddle. And then here is the long crossbody strap. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it all looks like when you wear it. This is what it looks like on the shoulder. Like this. What she looks like on the side. Alright you guys, so that is all for the Tabby shoulder bag in the canvas and light saddle in black color. And when I purchased this bag, I believe it was either Black Friday or the weekend before Cyber Monday, or even on Cyber Monday. I honestly don't remember, but I do know it was on sale, and at this exact moment it's no longer on the Coach website. I'm not sure if you can find it anywhere else, but I do know that they are selling the black version and the beechwood version on sale at this exact moment on the Coach website as I'm recording this video. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, it will still be on sale. And if and if anyone is interested in those two bags, I encourage you to get over there now. Yeah, so that is all for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you all in the next video. Bye.